Hi guys, my name is Kiki, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy blueberry pancake recipe. We ate these a lot, and my husband and kids still eat it a lot when we were first transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. If you're gluten-free, Bob's Red Mill makes a really good nut-free, gluten-free flour that I just swap out, and it works great. So first you're going to need 1.25 cups of whole wheat flour. And I'll put the recipe in the description box so you guys don't have to be taking notes. Then you need 2 tablespoons of plain sugar is fine. All I happen to have is coconut sugar, so that's what I'm going to use. So 2 tablespoons of that. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I forgot the applesauce. I'll be right back. Okay, and then just 1/4 cup of applesauce, and this replaces the fat. And I don't really ever measure anything. I don't feel like you can really put too much in, so I'll just kind of eyeball what a 1/4 cup might feel like. And then 1/4 cup plus 1 cup, so 1 1/4 cups of water. And that is it, guys. All right, so my griddle is all nice and heated up, and I like to use 1/4 cup measuring cup to put the batter on there, and this will make about 8 to 10 pancakes, so I would definitely double the recipe. We're a family of 4, and I always double the recipe when we're gonna have pancakes because we like them a lot. So I'm just gonna put them all on the griddle, and then we love frozen blueberries in ours, but you can put bananas. Sometimes for a special weekend, I'll put in some dairy-free mini chocolate chips as well. And then you can eat these with some real maple syrup. I don't like to have that much sugar, so I actually don't put anything on mine, but you know, it doesn't hurt. You can have a little maple syrup. The kids really like when I cook down a bag of frozen berries and sweeten it a little bit, and then they use that as their syrup. Right. These are really quick and easy, and they're a great snack cold as well. All right, they look ready to flip. All right, now these look like they're ready to flip off. Yep, see, easy, super delicious, and quick. All right, guys, there you have it, my quick and easy plant-based pancake recipe. If you want to make things even easier on yourselves, which is what I like to do, is I just take a big jar and make a huge batch of that mix and put it in here, and then the next time I want pancakes, I just scoop some out, add some applesauce and some water until I get the consistency I like, and then I throw those guys on the griddle. So yeah, I have done this take like 5 million times, so I'm gonna stop here because it is not getting better. I hope to see you around my YouTube channel, and you can find me on Instagram at Plantiful Kiki and Facebook as well.